I'm excited. Today's the day. I'm gonna start fulfilling a childhood dream. My wife and I are gonna get in this van with our 2 dogs and we're gonna start traveling the country. I have so much stuff to talk about. I'm really excited, but first, I gotta put the bed away. It's a mess in there, so I'm gonna do that. Be right back. Okay, so I think we're pretty ready to go. The bed's put away. Yeah, I think we're set. I gotta take care of a couple things downstairs real quick, but then I think we're gonna get on the road. I've been waiting for this for so long. Like I said, I've been dreaming about this since I was probably like 10 or 11. So excited to actually finally be doing it. It's been like 9 months of actual prep. We got this van, I think July last year. So we've been working on it. Been living in it full time for the last 3 months while we're doing all the finishing touches. I had to redo, put in a new fridge and redid all the electrical stuff which is in there. I'll show you that at some point. But yeah, it's been a lot of work. Hopefully it all pays off. I think we're about as ready as we're gonna be, at least. So we'll see what happens. It'll be fun either way. Hi everybody. Hello.
So how did it go?
It's going pretty well. I think we're getting pretty ready to take off. I had a ton of computer problems yesterday, and I ended up actually having to restore this thing from a backup. But it seems like we're all good now, hopefully. I'm trying to log in for the first times. And this is looking good. That's all of my junk, and it seems to be junk. So I think we're set. I'm headed down to the workshop right now, make sure that I have everything packed up from all the stuff I've been doing to the RV. I think we can get on the road then. Okay, so I think we're ready to go. Finally, for real, like all the way, really. Do you think we're ready to go? I'm nervous. Okay, we just gotta do it. Okay. Here goes. We just got on the road. We're like 2 minutes out, and we had a bit of a mishap with the cabinet here already. Stuff falling down, but we're getting it resolved. We'll be back on the road in just a second here. Are you excited? Do you love car trips? First lunch pit stop. We're going to this place called Schnood's in Sonora. We are back on the road now. Schnood's, great job. As usual, we're going to go see my grandma now. I haven't seen her in a while, and she hasn't seen the van. That's where we're headed right now. Just pulled up in Escalon. The dogs are excited. Here we go. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
We had heard you might stop by.
Very well. Yeah. We're headed to the Apple store, taking a quick detour before we get headed to the campground we're going to tonight, which is Redinger Campground, I think. Redinger. Alright, so we're stopped. I think we're in Merced. Where are we? What city? Okay, yeah, we're in Merced. Stopped to get some gas, so I'm filling up right now. So I'm getting 17.5 miles per gallon right now. Not super happy with that. Gonna kind of need to look into that a little bit actually. We normally get like 20 or even 22-ish, so that's a little low. I think things are going pretty good. It's been super rainy and cloudy all day long, so obviously our solar hasn't been doing great. But even though we're under this awning thing up above us at the gas station, we're still getting 15 watts, which is not a lot, but it's been raining all day. Our total yield is, focus, 260 watt hours. So it's enough to keep us kind of charged at least, I think, hopefully. It's really nice looking, but check this out. Look at this. There's a can right here. Somebody left a can. And somebody left a bottle right there. And it's right. We've been here for a while. It's like 11 o'clock right now. We ate dinner, and I've just been editing video footage, and you've just been hanging out. And we're gonna do like an end segment for this. We're gonna like recap, but I think the recap is just we're really tired. I think it was a good first day.
Yeah.
Good night. Good night, papers. Good night.